Hi, my name's Holly Huntley. I'm Pukka's Herbal Education Specialist and a trained nutritional therapist. It's not about how you look, it's all about how you feel this year. Bloating is something that we all experience. Occasional bloating is when you feel bloated throughout the course of the day, but that comes and goes, and that can be managed via diet and lifestyle. Here are some simple tips for you to put into practice to get the most out of your meal. When you're sat at your desk, eating your food in a hurry, scrolling through that email that may be stressing you out a little bit, well, that's going to put your body in a state of high alert. When it's in that state of high alert, it simply won't secrete the necessary digestive enzymes needed to digest your food. Mindful eating can be really helpful for overall digestion. I love to take 5 long, deep breaths. And this is essentially going to help you move your body from a state of stress to one of relaxation. So look at your delicious food, start to smell it, really take it all in, and these processes will initiate a series of signals in your body that means that you're able to digest and absorb all those lovely nutrients. There's no single cause, nor one size fits all when it comes to bloating. It's much more complex than that, and there can be multiple triggers. Checking for food intolerances, as well as looking after your internal ecosystem, keeping hydrated, eating a wide variety of plant-based foods is really important to feed our microbiome. That's your colony of microbes in your gut. Can all be really helpful for overall gut health. There are lots of different herbs that can support digestion. There's a long-standing tradition of digestive teas in many different cultures. One of our favourite teas at Pukka is mint tea. It's rich in lots of lovely essential oils to help you feel that little bit more comfortable after a meal. Eating should be a really joyful experience, so I hope these tips can help. But when it's more continuous bloating and there's no relief over the day, that's when you should really see a healthcare practitioner to understand what could be causing these digestive upsets.